Hey guys, we are at Meijer. Today I'm going to be demonstrating what the fire alarm system is in Meijer. So those are exit signs, they're fake. So there's just some service call phone, and that is a fire extinguisher. And that is nothing. Looks like a Wheelock CH70, but it's not. And
okay, perfect. Thanks. Okay.
There is a spectraler up there. And I think that is a Wheelock exceeder. Oh my god. Wait, what? Wait a second. This isn't right. It's a Candela strobe, which I don't know what it was set on. I think it's set on 15 Candela. This is HD. And the lottery store, there was a system sensor i3 and some kind of Honeywell home alarm system, a white one and a red one, and I think there was a voice evac panel. And so there was I think there was a firelight panel, which I don't like firelight because it sucks. And there is a spectraler. There is a wall-mount spectraler. There is another Wait a second. This isn't right. There is no spectraler. This is fire extinguisher. There's a spectraler over there. And there is no L series. Need to be doing a walk test. No.
Not the orange. Leopard. Yeah, the leopard, yeah. So, two of these guys, and then
It's not going off.
that one, and then one other LGO.
Okay, I didn't. I'm not gonna. Oh, there's another spectraler.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
And there was another phone over there. A service call. I still don't see anymore. I can still see the Wheelock CH70 chime horn. You can't see it because it's so close. There it is.
Yeah.
another fake Lithonia Alculum. Do not mind that speaker. There's another sprinkler up there. And we got. Hey guys, that was just a little break. Which my mom let me go check out the other devices because I'm in 4th grade and I'm eligible to go check them out. I'm hiding it so the other guys don't notice. There is another spectrular over there. Oh, I'm a firearm enthusiast. I'm a firearm enthusiast. Sorry guys, I was talking to somebody else. My mom expects it to be quick. Spectralers. There they are. There's a panel. See that? So now we've got to go back. Yep, so that is it for today's video. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Good evening, night. Goodbye.